Hey everybody, Joe here. I'm gonna check out a puzzle today by Scojo called Mods and Mevens. The rules are normal Sudoku rules apply. Place the digits 1 to 9 once each in every row, column, and 3x3 box. Modular lines are every group of 3 cells along a teal line must contain 1 digit from each modulo 3 group, which are 147, 258, and 369. Odd lots are a digit in a circle counts the number of odd digits on the line. Even lots are a digit in a square counts the number of even digits on its line. Little killer is a clue outside the grid, gives a sum of the digits along the indicated diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This will have 5 odds on it because it consists of every single cell in the thing. At minimum, this will have 2. At minimum. And this will have 2 at minimum. If this is 27, no, it's 21 digits long. And there are 27. Okay. These two aren't going to be 9, are they? I mean, there's only 8. Wait, does a... Oh, a digit in a square counts the number of even digits on its line. Or does it have to be even as well? I guess it doesn't. A digit in a circle counts the number of odd digits on its line. A digit in a square counts the number of even digits on its line. So those aren't saying that those are even, I don't think. It's just saying whatever digit is in here, that many evens are on the line. It could be 3 or whatever. This could be 4 odds on the line, whatever. Yeah, maybe. So this doesn't have to be this does not have to be odd, but just imagine if all of these were odd and all of these were odd. There would still be 2 odd here, 5 odd in here, 2 odd here, somewhere on the line. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think this has to be a 9. I don't think there's any way around that. And then, so basically, on these on these pairs here, circle and square, that are on a line, they have to equal the line size, I think. So in this case it's 10. So there's going to be however many odds, however many evens. They all need to equal 10. This can be any number though. Or, I mean, a circle doesn't have to be an odd, which is a bit confusing because in a lot of puzzles, circles can only be odd and squares can only be even, but I don't think that is the case in this puzzle. It doesn't technically say that. But some of you know how much of a stickler I am for technicality. So then what do we got? We got an 8-2, a 7-3, or a 6-4. And they have to be at different sets. Well, let's do this instead. Let's just mark every third. So, since they have to be, whoops, zoomed out a little bit. Since they have to be different modulo sets, and they repeat every, so this will be a different set, this will be a different set, and then they'll kind of follow suit, right? So they have to keep repeating. So this 9 set, 3, 6, 9, is going to be there, basically every third cell. And is that right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So these will be, we'll just make blue. And then these will make, maybe one after each one. We'll make those pink. We'll make these, we'll make them yellow. Yellow. So as you see, what? Okay. These are 2 yellow. So yellow cannot go here. Oh, and a blue can't go here either. We have 3 blue in the box, 3 yellow in the row. This is pink. Now this is blue, so that's all that's left. It needs its third. These are both yellow, because that's what's left in the 3x3. And this will be, this can't be pink, so it's blue. And the bottom one will be pink. So basically these are 3, 6. These are 3, 6. There's going to be a 9 in here with a 3 or a 6. And a 9 in here with a 3 or a 6. And I think that's the way it must be. And then okay. That's a good little start, I think. So now this one, this box is going to be here, here, and here. It's going to make a little square. And look, can't be blue, so that would give this one 4 in the column. It also can't be yellow, because that would give that one 4 in the column. So that is pink. Now pink is done. so that is not pink. Pink will be done, I mean, because one will have to be here. So that'll be its third. Pink cannot be any more on there either. Pink cannot be any more on there. Pink cannot be here or here. It cannot be in either one, which means it will be there and there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. These are going to be different. Oh, this one is going to be there. And then have its third. These two are the same. Have its third. There's going to be two blues and a pink down here. This is yellow. It'd be yellow, yellow. Can it be blue? Either way on that one. That would be the other one. I think it's either way on that one as well. Okay. There's going to be two blues. Two blues and a pink. Let's just do that up. Two blues and a pink. This will be a yellow and a blue. Okay. One of these will be yellow, one will be blue. If this is yellow, that one cannot be. So if this is yellow, it's going to give the yellow right there, there, and there, which looks fine. Well, that one could be yellow too, with that same configuration, I think. Alrighty. Maybe this will have one of each. So this gets two yellows and a pink. If this is yellow, this must be blue. And then this is yellow. And that would be yellow, that would be yellow. That seems okay. None of these are this is ooh, this could be 3 yellows, or it could be 2 yellows and a blue. Definitely 2 yellows go here. It could be 3. There's gonna be 2 of one color here. This gets 1 pink. Not quite sure on that. Think about numbers. Don't know what to think about numbers. I'm very numbery. What was this? Those are the same. Oh, this gets 2 blues and a pink. There's gonna be 2 pinks in this. If these are yellow, oh wait, there's definitely one more pink down here, isn't there? It's gonna be one more pink and whatever sits there. So this is there, so if that is yellow, okay. In short, I'm not sure. How about this? There's 2 pinks already. Both of these cannot be pink. Does one of them have to be? No. It can be blue and yellow. Dang, what am I supposed to do here? Do I think about numbers on the line? 147 or 258? Do I think about numbers in this circle? These have to equal what number? 3, 7, 8, 8. So it can be 7, 1. Oh, I doubt it's going to be 7, 1. No, I mean, it could be, I guess. 6, 2 or 5, 3. Maybe I'll think about 9 some more. Oh, probably not. Well, a square there isn't a 9, is it? How many is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is also 8. Only the ones with a circle and a square need to equal the line, though. So this can be... well, it could be 8, couldn't it? Or any number below it, basically. Do I need to be marking odds and evens instead of the modulo sets? I could not say. Oh, this cannot be pink. Well, duh. This is blue or yellow. Whatever it is gonna finish it. And whatever this is, also blue or yellow, is gonna go down here. But there's definitely a pink down here. And then a blue or yellow. There are definitely two yellows down here. But there could be 3. Wow. Difficult. Difficult indeed. is this yellow? If it is, all three of these are blue. If it is blue, then what? Then these are yellow. And that would be blue. And this would be yellow pink. Missing something, I suppose. What about, let's think about these sets then. 1, 4, 7. Oh, a 1, 4, 7 would have to go with a 3, 6, 9 to equal 10. Oh, and a 2, so 2, 5, 8. Oh, that was easy. I should have thought about that a long time ago. So this neither one of these can have a 2, 5, 8 on it, because you're not going to be able to equal 10. So one of these are going to be from 1, 4, 7. One of these are going to be from 3, 6, 9. So we can equal 10. And these are 2, 5, 8. Oh gee whiz. Oh gee whiz. That's not mark. Alright, all of them are 2, 5, 8. Let's just do it upright. All these. Not gonna get the ones that are like that. 1, 4, 7. Okay. So this will be either. Let's mark them all. It will not be a 1, 9. So it'd be a 4, 7, 3, 6. Well then what about these? Are those gonna blow my mind as well? Pink is 2, 5, 8. So I guess it won't. This line was only 8 long, I think. 3, 7, 8. So this ain't gonna be 8, is it? It's gonna be with a 3, 6, 9 pair. Because it's gonna be 5, 3 or 6, 2. Both being from 3, 6, 9. Which is blue. So this is blue. This is yellow. This is yellow. This is yellow. And if this is blue, it's like that. If that's blue, it's like that. Both look possible. Both look possible. There are no more pinks. There will be at least one more blue down here. Oh, what was this? Oh, yeah. Don't think that's giving me much. These are 1, 4, 7. Just gonna go ahead and mark this up. These have to equal 10, which they've got no problem doing. This is not a 9. It's above 8, if you believe that. This is a 6, 2, or a 5-3. 6-2, a 5-3. That's not telling me much. I don't think, or at least I can't see if it does. There will be one pink over here, which you could go there and satisfy the row and the column. This will be 2 yellows and a pink. And this will be one of each. One of each. And 2 yellows. Okie dokie. So, can we map some stuff around? I do wonder. And what would that be? It would be maybe some 147s, huh? Well, I mean, not really, because I got no idea where they start. It's gonna have a blue 9 somewhere. Oh. Are any of these odd only? Oh, they're really not, huh? This can be a 369. So if this was, can that have 6 evens on it? 4, 2, 6. Let's say 4, 8, 6, 2. I guess it could. And this could be 2, and it could be like 7, 5. Wow. That is possible, I suppose. Can have 3 evens on it. Yeah, I'm sure. This would have 5 odds. 1, 2. Yeah, I mean, why not? They all have the possibility. Oh, we're not gonna have 7 evens, are we? I don't know, I guess we could. Can we have 7 evens? I think we could definitely have 7 odds. Nine goes in this little box. Is that helpful at all? 9 goes only here or here. What's up with that? This will have a no, that's... Wow. Oh. If this is blue... Okay, okay. I see you. If this is blue, it's gonna have a 3-6 on it. Well, that's okay. This would be 4. Or well, 4 or 7. Maybe I gotta map some of these things around. So like that one is that one. It goes in these. This is where it might get... Okay, I guess I can only mark those if I am 100% on those. This one could be that one. Maybe I'm not doing this coloring right. Maybe I shouldn't do modular. Maybe I should do odd and even, perhaps. I wonder if that would even matter. This has to have this has to have 5. Well, this will have 5 odds on it. But then, can I get by without having a single even on? Even if it was 2, 4, 6, 8. I would have to have 2 odds over here. Even if I took up every single even. Over here, I reckon it would be the same. 2, 4, 6, 8. I would have to have 2 odds. So then this is going to be... So then there is 4 evens. So there must be a 6 here. This must be a 4. Wow, whenever you think about the right thing, then it does become a little bit easier. So this will have to be a 2-8 pair then. And that's going to be a 5. And then on this side over here, it's going to have to be the same thing. This is going to need both of its evens. So that's a 2-8. 5 goes in the middle. And then it's going to need a 4. 4 can't be up here now. 4 must go here with a 1 or a 7. And this has to be the 6, which will put the 3 there, which will give me a 69 there, which will give me 36 there. This will be a 3 and a 9 in that one. Do we get anything else? There's that. Maybe not yet. So this will have a 9 and a 3. And then over here, we'll have we'll have a 1, 7, won't we? Somewhere. Okay. This is not a 4 now, so it is a 7, 3. Now, is there 7 evens, or is there 7 odds? Three, 7. If this was a 3, this would have to be a 9. I guess that's okay. That would have to be a 6 or a 9. I guess that would be okay. This has a 5 on it. There's a 5 here somewhere. The 3 goes here somewhere. This is not a 3. This is a 4. I have a 1, 7 pair here. I also have a 2. Oh, what is up here? A 1 is up here with a 6 or 9. So it's like that. 6 doesn't go here. This is a 1 or 9 now. This is a 1 or 6. Okay. Any more combos anywhere that need to take note of? A 5 goes here. A 5 therefore must be in one of these two because it's in the bottom 2 of these two. As in there's nothing along the top row yet. So it must go over here, and that 5 sees that. There is a 6 somewhere here because there's no blues at the bottom in the first column, because there has to be one of each color here, one of each modulo. Okay. So 3. We'll go there or there. Fives. Yellow, pink, pinkity, pinkadoo. Am I getting any more? No, not yet. 7. 7. 7 must go here, somewhere. 5 must go there, which is good. 6. The 3 already got marked. 5 got marked. 4 must go along this column as well. And, is that it? 1, 7, 2, 8, I'm not sure of. There's gonna be 2 blues down here, which is a 3, 6, or 9. A 3 with a 6 or 9, and then with a 2 or 8. Right. This will be a 5 with a 2 or 8. Okay. I need to make some more combos here somewhere. Where do I do that? These are pink or blue, whichever one it is. It's gonna finish. And then this one will be the opposite. Not pink or blue, yellow or blue. There's gonna be one more pink down here. And pink is what? 2, 5, 8. Well, there's already one. Oh, this is even. We have 1, 2, 3. We have at least 3 already. If this is 6, that has to be 2. That can be easily done, I think. Could be 6, that could be 1, 7. But there is already 3 of them. As soon as we get one more, then we know that's 6. If we get one more. Otherwise, this is 5. That's 3, and that's 1, 2, that has to be 9 then. So this would be 9, 5, 3, 1, 7. Either way, did that end up being 1, 7? 1, 2, 3, 4. No. Wow. Okay. This has a 4 in it as well, doesn't it? Might as well mark it. So where was that other 4 marked? Where was that other 4 marked? Is this what I was thinking of? I don't know now. What is this? What are we doing here? Do 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 do. Well, this has at least 2 evens. Oh. It has at least 2 odds, I should say. So can it have 7? Because this is 2 odds. So this has 4 odds on it already. So no. It has to be 3 evens and 7 odds. There we go. Once again, you just have to look in the right spot. I don't know why I don't do that earlier. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 3 more. This is odd. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The other 2 of those will be even. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so there will be 2 evens and 1 odd along here. Alright. The 6 will be in here somewhere. Aw, dang. 2 evens and an odd. So there's going to be 3 evens. These consist of 1 even and 3 odds. 1 even and 3 odds. So at least 2 odds go over here. Two odds. That's 3 odds. Dang. 3 evens. There's 2 of them. Where does the even go? Oh, this will basically have 2 and 8 covered. We can't put 4 here. Or wait. Oh yeah, this will have... if I could roll 6 out of here, then I would be good. Good to go. So what is it? What is it? We have 1, 2, 3. So is that 3? I just don't know. I think I'm tired. do you think I'm tired? Let me just rest my eyes a minute. Okay, I'm back. 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. 6. 6 goes down here. Why didn't I have that marked yet? Is this all yellow? If it is, that would be blue, that would be blue. Those two would be yellow. There'd be a blue and a pink here. Guess that would be fine. This has 2 blues in it. Nothing's gonna force 2 more blues anywhere. What am I doing here? Oh my gosh. This is a 3. It's blue. Why didn't I color it? I told you I was tired. It's been staring at me for years now. That is a 9. This is a 6. This is a 1. This is a yellow. This is a blue. This is a blue. This is a yellow. Dude, that was so easy. This is a 147. Not a 1 though. Not a 4 either. It is 7 only. This is now a 7. This made a 1-4 combo there. That's a 1. A 7. 4-7 rather. This is not that. This is now a 6. 6 now goes right here from Sudoku. This is a 3. This is a 9 only. Let's not forget to keep our colors going. This is a yellow. This is now a blue and a pink. It'll have a 6 down here with it. A blue and a pink, right. With another pink. So it'll have a 5 and then a 2 or an 8, yeah. This will have a 6 with this will have a 5-6 with a 2 or an 8. This will have a 1. This will be all yellow, 147. And then this will be 2 pink and a blue. It'll have a 9 down here. Two blue and a pink is what I said. Promise. It'll have a 2 or an 8. There will be a 2 or an 8 here as well. Okay. Did I get anything else out of that? The 6 could have went. No, 6 can't go there. I don't think that told me anything else, though. So that is 3 yellows, 3 pinks. These are both blue, which is 3, 6, 9. This can be 3 as well. 1 or 4. There will be a 7 over here, and one of those two. If this is yellow, that has to be a 4. That seems to be okay. 4 does go up here somewhere in one of those two. If this is a pink, this has to be a 2, 5, or 8. That also seems okay. Can be either one. This is blue. This is blue. So 3, 6, 9. This is yellow pink then. Yellow pink. So yellow will be done. I'll need one more pink and a blue along here. One more pink and a blue along here. This is one more pink and a blue as well. Okay. This will be a pink and a yellow. That'll be a 1, 4 and a 2, 8. Will be all of the possibilities. The possibilities are endless. So one of these will have a 4 and be yellow. If it is this one, that has to be a 4, and that has to be a 7. And then that has to be a 1. But then this will have to have a 4, 7 on it. So that cannot be yellow. That is pink. Those are pink. These are yellow. And now that is 4. Oh wait. Yes. This is 4. This is 4 or 7. And this is 7. So this is 4. And this doesn't necessarily make that 5, but it does make it 2, 5, or 8. 2 or 8 goes there. This is not a 6. One of these could still be either. Pink is 2, 5, or 8. Yellow is 1, 4, 7. Alright. So now there is a 1, 7 down here with a 2 or an 8. There's a 1 here. We have all the ones looking at it. Here, 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 and here. So, that's the only spot it can be. That's yellow. Let's go ahead and mark it up. Do it right. This is yellow. We're done with yellow here. We have 2 blues left to place and 1 pink. This cannot be pink. This is a 9. There's gonna be a pink pink and a blue. I don't see anything that break it right off the bat. So we'll wait on that. There has to be a blue here, because there can't be any down here. So this will be, it's got to be a blue pink. This will be a pink yellow. And this will be a pink yellow. Well, right. There's a 1-4. There's a 5 over there. There's a 3 over here. That's all good and fine. There's also a 2 or an 8 over there. Which is going to be that one. So, I mean, I knew by other means that there was going to be a 2 or an 8 here with this one as well. With a what? With a 1 or a 4. This will have a 7 here somewhere. Let's go with just guarantees for now. A 5 is going to be over here. Oh, that's almost a combo wombo of sorts. Did we get anything else here? That's 1. We did. Golly. That's 3, 4. This has to be 6. Come on. Six. This places a 6 there. That's our last blue. This yellow. That's a pink then. Pink is 2, 5, or 8. Those can still be in any order from the looks of it. This has to be a 2 now, because it had to equal 8 with a 6. This is an 8. Oh, wait, back that up. Oh yeah, that's right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this must be odd. And this must be odd. It can still be a 1 or 7 though. That is now a 4. Does that give us 3 evens along this line? 1, 2, 3, it sure does. Or it sure will. Eventually. This is now a 5 or 8. It's a 5 because the 8 goes up here. That is a 2. This is a 5, 8. This is now a 5 here. This is going to be a 4, 7 combo. You see an 8 up here. And a 2. And an 8. And a 2. A 5, 8 there. This will be a what's missing here? 358. 8 can't go in. Oh, it can go over there on the right though. It's actually missing 4 numbers. 2358. Well, this one can only be a 2 or a 3. This one can be a 2, 3, 5. That one, that could be a 3 as well. Oh no, it can only be a 5, 8 because it's pink. So 5, 8 is even. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it could stay at 5. These would be 5, 7. They would have to be 5, 7. Which seems okay. Can they be 8? They really could. This could be 2, 4. Can be either one. How interesting. This is going to be a 2, 3, isn't it? This has to be the 3. This has to be the 2. This has to be the 3 now. This is pink. This and this is blue. This is pink. Might as well keep our colors going. This is gonna be yellow. This is gonna be blue. We're gonna have a yellow and a pink here. No, a blue and a pink, sorry. I'm gonna have a yellow and a pink here. There's a 5 in one of these. This has to be pink, okay. This is a 3. That's all that's left in blue. 9 right above it, 6 right below it. This is a 9 only. We see a 1, 7 combo in the row. 9 is of a bluish nature. This is going to be blue and pink, which is going to be a 3 and then a 8. Because it can't be a 2, because it's right next to it in the box. So this is a 2. And then this is now a 5. It did end up getting every single even. So that does that for that line. This is 1, 7 combos there, so this is 4. We have a 5 here, which is pink. Do we have our colors sorted yet? Almost. Not quite. No way, no how. 4, 7. This is yellow. This cannot be blue. Okay. There will would be 2 yellows here. So this is blue. That has 3 blues in it now. Can this be a pink? It still needs an 8 somewhere. There will be an 8 in one of these. Is this one 7, 8 then? Yes. So this is what, a 9? Oops. That is a 9. This is now a 9. 3, an 8, a 3. Of course. Oops, wrong button. 8 is pink. 3 is blue. 1 is yellow. That one is now pink. This one is now yellow. This one is now pink. And I think that will do it for the colors. And now we should just be able to fill in all of our pencil marks here. This is a 1, 2, which is resolved. And I think that will get us on the home stretch. Let's see. What am I missing? Probably this 9. No, it wouldn't be the 9. I need to try to open my eyes a little bit wider for just a second. And then I think we'll have it. Or will we? 5, 8, 5, 8. 9, 9. Did I miscolor something? Two, 1 and 1. What did I mess up here? Oh, right here. I haven't thought about this the entire thing. I wonder if that would have made my life easier. I totally forgot about this corner thing. Good grief. This is 9, 18, 21, 23. We need 24 more in 3 cells. It's got to be 9, 8, 7. This is 9. This is 7. This is 8. 8, 5, 5, 1, 7. Now it's just home stretch. I'm totally oblivious to that corner mark. The rules that you don't have to think about for a long time of the puzzle, I will always end up forgetting. Knight's moves, king's moves, etc. But that was a fun puzzle by Scojo. Scojo's puzzles are always a challenge to me. But yeah, mods and Mevens, try it for yourself in the link below if you like it. Please subscribe and like. Have a great day. Bye bye.